I will tell you, 10 years ago when I was on an assignment in Asia, I had my first lesson about why we needed onshoring. When I got into Asia, my primary role was to help provide a supply base in Asia that could ship parts back to the U.S. for consumption here. I learned very quickly that that wasn't a very efficient model. It probably wasn't until the last 2 or 3 years when the COVID situation hit us that everybody recognized what I saw 10 years ago. You just cannot sustain these long supply chains. You just can't do it. There's too many issues. COVID spelled it all out for us. Everybody else was dealing with it day to day. They were fighting it, but COVID made it impossible to ignore anymore. So I think the onshoring is just a result of us in the U.S. learning that you just can't make everything overseas. You need to have some local supply base. You need to have some flexibility in your supply base. You can't put everything in China. You just can't.